Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving deep into the world of online security and privacy. With cyber threats on the rise, it's more important than ever to safeguard your online activities. While many VPNs claim to offer the best protection, the reality can be quite different. Some VPNs come with built-in servers and pre-configured settings, but others, like Dark Tunnel VPN, provide the flexibility to customize settings for enhanced security. Today, we'll guide you step by step on how to download a Slow DNS Config and set it up on Dark Tunnel VPN to ensure your privacy is top-notch. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's get started. First, let's download a Slow DNS Config. Open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP and Slow DNS Files and hit Enter. Look for the official UDP and Slow DNS Files website in the search results and click on it. Once on the website, click the hamburger icon at the top left corner to expand the menu. Select Slow DNS Config, then choose Dark Tunnel Slow DNS. A countdown timer will start. Wait for it to finish, and once the download button appears, click on it. You'll be taken to a new page with a list of configurations. Select the latest one, click the download button, and the file will be saved to your device. Now that you have the Slow DNS Config file, it's time to set it up on Dark Tunnel VPN. First, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type Dark Tunnel VPN and press Enter. When the app appears in the search results, tap on it and click the Install button. Once installed, open the app to start configuring it with the Slow DNS Config details. Now let's configure Dark Tunnel VPN. Tap the three dots in the app, select the Config option, and click the Import button. This will open a menu where you can choose the File option. Locate and select the Slow DNS Config file you just downloaded. The app will automatically import the server details and set everything up for you. And that's it! You've successfully imported the Slow DNS Config and set it up on the Dark Tunnel VPN app for enhanced security and privacy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on internet security and privacy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.